Time and work. Work to be done is usually considered as one unit. Whatever work you consider is all the one is one unit. Work can be if any form like building a wall, making a road, filling or emptying a tank, or even eating a certain amount of food. Okay, time is measured in hours. Time is measured to be measured in hours, days, etc. Certain assumptions are made that the work so done is uniform and each person shares the same work time in case of group work in completing the work. So here doing in the 6th sum to 10th sum, all the one considered as one unit. Then you find in the as usual time. Next, the 10th sum only some different there. Unitary method is using there. If two person X and Y can do some work individually if in A and B days, then their one day work is 1 by A and 1 by B respectively. A writing in 1 by A, B write as 1 by B. So A plus B also their one day work together ask for add the number 1 by A plus 1 by B. So these two also different there. So multiple first A, B. Cross multiplication B plus A. So here writing in A plus B. So this is the what is the work? 1 day's work. A plus B divided by AB is the 1 day's work. A, X and Y together can complete the work equal to this one, write in 1 divided by A plus B divided by AB. 1 into, write in the reciprocal, AB by A plus B. So AB equal to what is the answer? AB divided by A plus B come the formula. So 10th sum doing this formula. 10th sum use this formula and want to do the sum. A can do a piece of work. Remaining sums 6 to 10 sum. A can do A is one person, B one person, C one person want to think. So A can do a piece of work in 12 hours. B and C can eat 3 hours where A and C can do it in 6 hours. How long will B alone take to do the same work? So solution, time taken by A to complete the work in 12 hours. So 1 hour's work equal to A's 1 hour work equal to 1 by 12. All the one is considered is 1 unit for 12, write in 1 by 12. B plus C together their work equal to 3 hours. B plus C is 1 hour work equal to 3, write in 1 by 3. Next, A plus B plus C is 1 hour work equal to A work is 1 by 12, B work is 1 by 3. Now see here, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 3, two numbers also different. So third table to come in 12. So which number multiple by 3, you get it, the answer is 12, 4. So numerator and denominator you multiple by 4. 1 by 12 you write 1 4, next symbol is plus, 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. So now 2 also same number, 12, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 equal to 5, 5 by 12. Now A plus B plus C is 1 hour work equal to 5 by 12. Next step, A plus C complete their working 6 hour is there given. So 1 hour works equal to 6, write in 1 by 6. Next, B's 1 hour work equal to A plus B plus C's 1 hour work minus A plus C work. B work ask mean A plus C. Suppose C works here ask means here write in A plus B. Now B no need to write. A plus C is 1 hour work. A plus B plus C work equal to 5 by 12. And A plus C's work equal to 1 by 6. See here, now 2 also different. 6 table to come in 12. So which number multiple by 12? 2. So numerator and denominator you multiple by 12. 5 by 12 right first. Next symbol is minus. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. Now 2 also same, write in one time. 5 minus 2 equal to 3 by 12. 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12 equal to 1 by 4. Next, there B alone take the complete work equal to. All the one complete, one day work only find. So 1 divided by 1 by 4. 1 into 1 by 4, division change into the multiplication first. 1 by 4 write in 4 by 1. 1 4 by 1 into 4 equal to 4 by 1 equal to 4 days. So how many days is possible now? 4 days. Next question. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B and C can do the work in 15 days, whereas A and C can do it in 20 days. How long would each take to do the same work? Now A plus B complete the work in how many days? 12 days. So work fully 12 days, 1 day work equal to 1 by 12. The same also B plus C complete the work in 15 days. 15 write in 1 by 15. Next, A plus C complete the work in 20 days. 20 days write in 1 day for 1 by 20. This is the first step. What is that given? 12 write as 1 by 12. 15 write as 1 by 15. 20 write as 1 by 20. Second step, this all the work is together work. A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C is 1 day work equal to, what is the answer here? 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Now here remove the bracket. A plus B plus B plus C plus A. How many A's there have? 2 A's. Here 1 A, there 1 A. 2B plus 2C. So 2A plus 2B plus 2C equal to, now take the LCM for, what is the answer is there coming? LCM for, see there, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60. 60 is the LCM. So now here given in the fraction is, what is a fraction? 1 by 12. 12 to denominator only, see 12 to which number you multiply and get the answer is 65. Here you write 5, the numerator also write 5. 1 5 is 5, 5 12s are 60. So 1 5 5, 1 5 is 5, here you write. Next symbol is plus. Now 1 by 15 is the next fraction. Now 15 to which number you multiply by get the answer is 60 is 4. 15 4s are 60. So here you write 4, the numerator also write by 4. 1 4 is 4. Plus 1 by 20. 3 you multiply in numerator and denominator. 1 by 3 is 3 only write. Here come the answer 60 for 160 only write it here. 5 plus 2 times A plus B plus C equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 60. Add and get the answer equal to 12 by 60. 1 12 is 12, 5 12s are 60. Next work, the 2 times A plus B plus C is 1 day work equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, here 2 you write by, here multiplication by write. 5 2s are 10. 1 by 10. So A plus B plus C is 2 times for 1 by 5. 1 time for multiple by here 2, 5 2s are 10. 1 by 10. Now A's 1 day work equal to A plus B plus C's 1 day work minus B plus C's 1 day's work. Now A plus B for what is the answer is there given? 1 by 10 is A plus B plus C's work minus B plus C work equal to 1 by 15. These two number you take the LCM for get it the answer equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM. So 10 to which number multiple by 30? 3. So here you write 3. 1 3 is 3. Next symbol is a minus. 1 2 is 2, 15 2s are 30. 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 30. 1 by 30 is A takes 1 by 30 writing in 30 days to complete the work. Here you see there 12 you write by 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 writing in one work for what the right 12 days. Here come the answer is 1 by 30. So writing by 30 days work by A work. Next B's 1 day work equal to A plus B plus C's work minus A plus C's work. A plus B plus C work equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. 10 table to come in 20. So 2 multiple by here up numerator and denominator multiple by 20. 1 2 is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is writing by 20 days. So B takes 20 days to complete the work. The same also C is 1 day work equal to A plus B plus C is 1 day work minus, here C asking for A plus B only, you write. A plus B 1 day work equal to what is there given? 1 by 10 minus A plus B work equal to 1 by 12. Now 10 and 12 for you take the LCM, you get it, the answer equal to 60. So here 10 to which number multiple by 60 is 6. 1 6 is 6. 12 5s are 50 for 1 5 is 5. 6 minus 1 equal 5 equal to 1 by 60. 1 by 60 is 60 days. So C takes 60 days to complete the work. Next sum. Eighth sum. Carpenter A takes 15 minutes to fit the parts of a chair, while Carpenter B takes 3 more minutes more than A to do the same work. Working together, how long will it take for them to fit the parts of 22 chairs? First see there, carpenter takes 15 minutes to fit the part of a chair, while carpenter B takes 3 more minutes more than A to do the same work. Working together, how long will it take for them to fit the parts of 22 chairs? Time taken by A to fit a chair, how many minutes is there given? 15 minutes is the first step. Question 2, what is there asking, the right here. Next, time taken by B equal to what is there given? 3 minutes more than A. See there are 3 more minutes from more than A is there given. I am write it here. So 3 plus more than, for use the symbol is plus. How many minutes? A minutes. A for what is the minutes there? 15 minutes. 3 plus 15 equal to 18 minutes is the first step. Now A's 1 minute work equal to 1 by 15. 15 write in 1 by 15. Next, B's 1 minute work equal to, should not write it 3. There add and get the answer equal to 18. 18 you write in 1 by 18. Next, A plus B's 1 minute work equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 18. Now do in the cross multiplication is easy, the LCM method. So 15 into 18 equal to 270. 118 is 18, 115 is 15. 18 plus 15 equal to 33 divided by 270. These two number also possible in third table. 11 3s are 33, 9 3s are 27, extra 1 0 they are write in 11 by 90. LCM, EC method, cross multiplication, do the cross multiplication. Next step. Time taken A plus B to fit a chair. What is the answer is there coming there? All the one consider as 1 divided by 11 by 90. 1 divided 11 by 90. So this division change into the multiplication, write in reciprocal. 190 is 90 by 11. Time taken by A plus B to fit 22 chairs. One chair for 90 by 11. They are asking in 22 chairs for 90 by 11 into 90 by 11 into 22. 111 is 11. 2 11s are 22. 90 into 2 equal to 180 minutes. 180 minutes is not come. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes there? 60 minutes. There 1 minute equal to dash hours, 1 by 60 hours. Here 180 minute for 180 divided by 60 equal to 0 0 cancel. 166 3 6 are 18. How many hours there? 3 hours. Minutes change into the hours equal to 3 hours. Next, ninth question. A can do a work in 45 days. A can do a work in 45 days. he work, A is the one person. He works as it for 15 days and then B alone finishes the remaining work in 24 days. Find the time taken to complete 80% of the work if they work together. So A complete the work in how many days there? 45 days. 1 day work equal to 45, write in 1 by 45. A's 15 days work equal to 1 day work for 1 by 45. 15 days work for 15 by 45. 115 is 15. 3 15s are 45. So remaining work is considered in remaining for all the one consider as in 1, remaining for minus 1 by 3. 1 write in 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Do in the cross multiplication. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, minus symbol 1 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. B finishes 2 by 3 work in 24 days. They are given in 2 by 3. Come, the answer is, what is the answer? 2 by 3. So B finishes 2 by 3, 2/3 of work in 24 days. B's 1 day work equal to 2 by 3 divided 24. 2 by 3 divided 24 divided by 1. Division change into the multiplication. 2 by 3 into 1 by 24. 1 2 is 2, 12 2s are 24. 3 12s are 36. Now A plus B's 1 day work equal to 1 by 45 plus 1 by 36. Multiple the two number. Do in the cross multiplication. Different for take the LCM. Easy method is cross multiplication. 1620. 136 is 36. 145 is 45. So add the number is 81 by 1620. This two number is possible in 9th table. 9 9s are 81. 1 9 is 9. Remaining 7. 8 9s are 72. 0. 9 by 180. The same possible in 9th table. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. Extra 0. 1 by 20. They are given in time taken to complete 80% of the work. Let X days required. So X by 20. So how many days is don't know for what there you want to take X. So here 1 day for 1 by 20. X days for X by 20. First step is completed there. Now X by 20 is how many percentage to complete their work? 80%. 80% how to the write? 80 by 100. So here you write in the do in the cross multiplication. X value only find there. X equal to 80 into 20 divided by 100. This 20 there you write into. Division change into the multiplication. Cancel the number. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 8 2s are 16 days. Next question. 10th question. A is thrice as fast as B. A is thrice as fast as B. If B can do a piece of work in 24 days, then find the number of days they will take to complete the work together. If B does the work in how many days there? 3 days. B work in how many days is there given? Thrice times for they are given in 3. So A will do it in how many days there? 1 day. So B complete the work equal to 24 days. B complete the full work equal to they are given in 24 days. So 24 divided by A complete the same work equal to here 3 days, here 24 days. So 24 divided by 3 equal to 8 days. A plus B complete the work in formula use there. AB by A plus B days. A value equal to 24, B value equal to 8. A value equal to 24, B value equal to 8. These two values substitute this formula. AB by A value equal to 24. Here in between symbol is into 8 divided by 24 plus 8. Should not cycle there. 24 into 8, this two number add first, 32. 1 8 is 8, 4 8s are 32. 1 4 is 4, 6 4s are 24. Here what is the answer? 6 days is the answer.